Hey folks, today is June the 12th. It's currently 8:11 in the afternoon. We're going to do our Titan G7 Week 12 update review. And I'm pretty sure, actually I know for a fact this was a losing week. So this review probably won't be as long as previous ones. We'll get through it here. Alright, if we scroll down, get past the original Titan, and we'll come down to Titan G7. All right, so as you guys can see here, current balance is $711.73. Equity is 709.02. Here in a moment, actually, let me pull up last week's chart so that we can actually see what our previous balance was. All right, we got this up here. You guys can see here, this was week 11, currently on week 12. Let's go ahead and blow this up. And as you can see, our balance last week was $740.22 and equity was $729. So we definitely gave back quite a bit of what we made last week. At one point we were up $277 and now we're up $212. So we did give back quite a bit here. And it looks like we have some trades open right now. So we have $2.71 floating. But depending on when you started, obviously right now, I'm up overall $211.73, as I stated. If you got started, earlier this month, start of June, you might not be up as high as I am. I'm pretty sure last week, like I said, was a winning week, and you most likely gave back some. But depending on where you got started is going to basically determine at this point if you're in profit or if you're in a little bit of a loss. All right, let's go ahead and check now the Telegram group. And this was June 7th. First day of the week was the 8th. All right, so this is just them talking about their weekly update, which we'll take a look at momentarily to see how they performed this week. And all right, so basically going over their YouTube channel. Nothing new here. All right, this week, the only real issues with news we had was on Wednesday, which is right here, FOMC statement. That was the only real issue we had this week, and that was on June 10th. We'll take a look and see once we get into the VPS and see if June 10th is where a lot of losses happen, just to see if that had any impact on it. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look now. Actually, let's go ahead and jump into the VPS before we see what other people have done this week. I'll be back in a minute. Let me sign in. All right, so as you guys can see here, there's the $711 balance, and there is the $2.75 that we have open going into the weekend. You can see here several trades open. All right, let's go ahead and check the account history here. All right. So first day of the week we know was the 8th. And right off the bat, I'm seeing lots of losses. So maybe it wasn't Wednesday that was the problem. Maybe this was just a tough week for the EA. And let's see here. The 10th was Wednesday. Let's see if we had any more losses than normal there. All right, so we did take a few losses on Wednesday, but doesn't seem like it was anything more than normal. Here you can see the 12th, which is today, had several trades close out. So yeah, I don't really think the news we had on Wednesday was a big indicator on why this week didn't turn out well. I think it was just one of those weeks where the EA didn't do good. Obviously, the point is that in the big picture, we want to make sure that we're profitable. 1 or 2 weeks or even a month won't necessarily determine if an EA is good or not. So we'll continue to watch it, continue to let it run, and hopefully in the long run it will be profitable. That's what the idea here is. All right, let me pause it and we'll check out the Facebook group. All right, let me refresh the page so we know we're getting the most recent updates from people. And we're set to recent posts. See most recent posts first. All right. So this is one of the admins, and he stated so excited for what's coming soon. I'm definitely excited to see that myself. I'm assuming they're talking about the new product that they're going to be putting out here. So that is definitely going to be interesting. All right, let's keep on scrolling down here. I know we haven't been running the software for very long, but has anyone tried using Titan G7 for the FTMO challenge? All right. All right, so it doesn't look like we've had that many people post. Like I've said before, obviously a lot of people don't post on losing weeks. All right, broker LQDFX 0.01 per 1,000. Smaller account 0.01 per 750. All right, so we can see here somebody said gave it all back and then some. And yep, still up nearly 30% overall. So like I said earlier, it really depends on when you got started. But in the long run, we do expect for this expert advisor to do well. All right. Hey, everyone, I want to know if you wait for the EA to take profit by itself or you close. Obviously, you wait for the EA to take profit by itself. All right. Looks like somebody posted a MyFX book account, weekly Friday update. Let's take a look at this one. Awesome. Please just add the disclaimer. Definitely got to do that. All right, so we'll check out. He doesn't have his links up here. All right, not sure about that. We'll see if we can find the link. This week should definitely be a losing week. And let's see, 0.01 per 750 is what he's using. All right. So it looks like in May, he made 3.63%. And this week down, actually this month down 7.35%. This week, 11.65%, as you guys can see. And if I can find the vendor settings here. All right, here it is. All right, so it must be more than a few people that have the title of admin here. This individual doesn't look like he's posted the link, but luckily it looks like Tyler here has posted his link. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look and see from his live account, and then we'll check out some of the demo accounts to see how they performed as well. All right, and this is 0.01 per 750. Overall, again, he's up about 40%, but as you can see this week, down 2.81%, and this month down 1.64%. Let's go ahead and check out some of these demo accounts he has here. All right. This is 0.01 per 1,000. It'll probably have the smallest loss. And as you can see here, this week down 2.77%. This will have a, let me see, open trades. All right, so it looks like he most likely needs to reset or close his brokerage account. I have this issue too. When I don't close it and restart it, sometimes it messes up and it won't update. So definitely have to wait on that. All right, this week here you can see 12.52%, and this is 0.01 per 250, which I believe is the most aggressive that they use in these testings. All right, so this is where we stand right now. Obviously, we want to see things start to go back in the exact opposite direction here, and hopefully that will be the case. Still pretty early on in the big scheme of things here, and we are definitely still in profit, even though we haven't been trading for that long. But hopefully going forward, maybe in the next, what day are we on? All right, so today's just the 12th. So I say over the next 3 weeks, hopefully the next 3 weeks will be profit, so that the people that got in, you know, last week and this week, not so much last week, I believe that was the week, that this week right here, the 1st through the 5th, I'm pretty sure it was profitable. But for those of you that got in the week before last or this week, definitely want to see these next 3 weeks come back strong with some profit here to get you guys back in the game. All right, so as always, if you guys have any questions on Titan G7, don't hesitate to send them my way, and I'll try to find the answers for you. And if you want to get more information on it, make sure you guys click the link below. And I will see you, June 19th for our next weekly update review. Take care, folks. Have a great weekend.